Tom Cruise. Harrison Ford. Actors have great names. I'm an actor. My name's Mike Johnson.
What's a great name?
I don't know, but I want a great name.
Okay, Mr. Movie Star, what's your name?
They call me Bond. James Bond. Hi, I'm Keanu Reeves. Nice to meet you.
And my name's Jennifer Lopez.
Huh?
But you can call me J-Lo.
Okay, J-Lo. Nice to meet you. You're my favorite actress and singer. So, what's your phone number?
Excuse me, my phone number?
Mike! Takeshi! Tara!
Are you Jim Carrey?
No, I'm Jackie Chan.
Oh, no, you're not.
Thanks, Mrs. Hamilton.
You're welcome, Claudia.
Bye.
Bye. Good afternoon, everyone. This is news reporter Katie Couric, and here we have the famous soccer player, David Beckham. Hi, David.
Hi, Katie, but please, call me Dave.
And call me Julia Roberts.
Claudia?
Claudia?
Oh, come on, you three. We're late for the movie.
After you, J-Lo.
After you, Dave.
Okay.
Cut.